Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. Boat has launched their new ANC headphones and it's the Nirvana 751 ANC headphones. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you the performance. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the model name on the top and here we have the picture of the headphones. In this headphone, you get the hybrid ANC, 65 hours of playback time and you get the ASAP charge. At the back we have some more key features such as ambient mode, 40mm driver, dual compatibility, dedicated mic for calling and you get the voice assistant support. And here as well, we can see that the 10 minutes of charge will give you 10 hours of playback time. The MRP on the box is Rs 7,999 but the launch price is just Rs 3,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top, we get the nicely packed headphones. And guys, this is the silver variant and apart from that, this headphone is available in black and blue. And looking at the headphones, my first impression is that it does look premium and well built. We will look at the headphone in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the documentations, which includes a warranty card, a catalog from Boat, user guide and the Boat sticker. And here we have the Type-C charging cable and you also get an aux cable. And the best part is that in the package, you also get this carrying pouch, which is again very good. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the headphones closely. Boat Nirvana 751 ANC headphones are the latest noise cancellation headphones from Boat. Looking at the design and build quality, the build quality of this product is very good and it feels premium in the hand. The cushioning on the ear cups is soft and you get the memory foam padding in this headphone. And you also get the proper cushioning on the headband. This headphone can be folded when you want to keep it in the carrying pouch. And you also get the adjustable ear cups, which will make them comfortable to wear for long hours. The headband can also be adjusted as per your head size. Overall, in terms of design and build quality, we find these headphones from Boat very good. Now in terms of the overview, we have the Boat logo on both the ear cups and on the headband, we have the Boat branding. In terms of the ports and buttons, on the right ear cup, we have the power button along with the volume button. And here we have the aux port along with the mic. And on the left side, we have the Type-C charging port and the ANC mode button. In terms of the technical specifications, in this headphone, you get the 40mm driver, 65 hours of battery backup without the ANC, and with the ANC mode, it's 54 hours. You get the ASAP charge technology and the Bluetooth 5.0. Now let's turn on the headphone and pair it with our phone. So here it is on and paired with our phone. Now in terms of the codec, we get the AAC HD codec support in this headphone. Now before we talk about the sound quality, let me first show you the button controls. So a single press on the power button will pause and play music. You can increase or decrease the volume from the volume buttons. And also the long press on the volume plus button will change the song. And long press on the minus button will take you back to the previous song. You can call Google Assistant or Siri by double pressing the power button. Now let's talk about the main thing and that is the performance. So first of all guys, the headphones are very comfortable to wear and you get good coverage on the ear. The cushioning on the ear cups is very comfortable and the same for the headband. So comfort wise, these headphones are pretty good. In terms of the sound output, we have used these headphones to listen to different genres of music and the first thing we noticed is the punchy bass. They are loud and the clarity is also very good. But we noticed that due to the heavy bass, the vocals were getting a little muffled up. And as seen in most of the other Boat headphones and earphones, you get good bass and they're also pretty loud. And I was mostly using these headphones at 70 to 80% volume. Now in terms of the ANC mode, the ANC mode is very good and it can cancel the background noises up to 33 dB. Which is mainly the AC or fan noise and also nearby chatters, but it cannot cancel the traffic or other loud noises. You also get an ambient or transparency mode which also works pretty good, and with this you can be aware of your surroundings. Now about the performance more, I've used them to watch videos on YouTube and other OTT platforms and there I find the performance good, but again the bass was a bit too much in some cases while watching movies, which is not as per my liking. Now lastly about the mic performance, as there is a dedicated mic for calls, the output was pretty decent and you can use this headphone for voice and video calls. So overall the Boat Nirvana 751 ANC headphones offers good design and build quality. You get a premium product and keeping in mind the pricing which is under Rs 4,000, It's definitely one of the best I have seen in this segment. The sound output is good, and if you like punchy and boomy bass output, you'll find these headphones pretty good. The ANC does cancel the background noise and the performance is decent. And how can we forget about the battery, which is above 50 hours, and that too in the ANC mode, which is pretty impressive. So to sum it up, if you're looking to purchase a good quality ANC headphones under Rs 4000, then we highly recommend you to check out the Boat Nirvana 751 ANC headphones. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Boat Nirvana 751 ANC headphones. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about these headphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.